Welcome to the Motorcycle Theory Quiz Part 6. This part covers questions 251 to 300. Listen carefully, choose your answer, then the correct one will be revealed. Good luck. One of the difficulties of driving through flood is Option A. You cannot see any hidden dangers. Option B. You will experience very strong flood. Option C. You must have your vehicle checked. The correct answer is A. You cannot see any hidden dangers. For regular saloon cars, do not drive through if option A, the flood is more than 50% of the tire height. Option B, the flood is just starting. Option C, the flood is starting to subside. The correct answer is that the flood is more than 50% of the tire height. When there is flood, it is best to Option A, drive slowly and cautiously. Option B, avoid driving through it, if at all possible. Option C, avoid using the main highways. The correct answer is B, avoid driving through it, if at all possible. Driving in flood is difficult because Option A, flooding reduces the visibility. Option B, flood is very unpredictable. Option C, you cannot see if there are deep holes along the path. The correct answer is C, you cannot see if there are deep holes along the path. After driving through flood, Option A, brakes may fade. Option B, moisture in brakes affects the speed. Option C, brakes get stuck. The correct answer is A, brakes may fade. Mobile phones distract drivers and cause them to Option A, change direction suddenly. Option B, maintain focus on the road. Option C, use other routes. The correct answer is A, change direction suddenly. Using mobile phone affects the focus of drivers. It shows in their Option A, full attention to driving. Option B, steady hands on the steering wheel. Option C, inconsistent driving. The correct answer is C, inconsistent driving. Drivers using mobile phones, Option A, commit same mistakes again and again. Option B, commit mistakes in judgment. Option C, commit several violations. The correct answer is B, commit mistakes in judgment. Drivers on mobile phones are Option A, always aggressive. Option B, unable to judge safe gaps in traffic. Option C, unable to stop in time. The correct answer is B, unable to judge safe gaps in traffic. When driving and using mobile phones, Option A, driver must be more attentive. Option B, driver must look farther ahead. Option C, driver react slower than usual. The correct answer is C, driver react slower than usual. Using mobile phones while driving, Option A, increases the chances of having collision. Option B, decreases the chances of having collision. Option C, improves the chances of arriving safely. The correct answer is A, increases the chances of having collision. The time you look for a name to call in your mobile phone, Option A, may result to a serious crash. Option B, saves some time off your travel. Option C, may avoid unnecessary delays. The correct answer is A, may result to a serious crash. Drive on the safe side and avoid Option A, talking on mobile phone while parked. Option B, jumping the queue just to get a few meters ahead. Option C, signaling while lane changing. The correct answer is B, jumping the queue just to get a few meters ahead. Driving that causes tension or dangers on the roads is Option A, unacceptable driving behavior. Option B, role model driving behavior. Option C, driving by the rules of the road. The correct answer is A, unacceptable driving behavior. Driving too fast for the situation is Option A, an unacceptable driving behavior. Option B, a proper way of driving. Option C, just the way other people drive. The correct answer is A, an unacceptable driving behavior. Flashing headlights to intimidate others. Option A, show that you are a good driver. Option B, increases risk of a crash. Option C, increases your confidence. The correct answer is B, increases risk of a crash. Not signaling while lane changing causes. Option attention to other drivers. Option B, more fun to driving. Option C, dangers to be reduced. The correct answer is attention to other drivers. Driving slowly on the fast lane will. Option A, force the traffic to slow down. Option B, create a safe zone on the road. Option C, cause other drivers to pass on the right side. The correct answer is C, cause other drivers to pass on the right side. Driving slowly on the fast lane is. Option A, equally dangerous as overspeeding. Option B, a normal and acceptable driving. Option C, a sure and safe way to drive. The correct answer is A, equally dangerous as overspeeding. The best way to deal with drivers signaling to turn is. Option A, to intentionally push in. Option B, to intentionally block their path. Option C, to give way and allow to turn. The correct answer is C, to give way and allow to turn. Ignoring priority rules is when drivers are. Option A, entering the main road carefully. Option B, give way on give way signs. Option C, not stopping on stop signs. The correct answer is C, not stopping on stop signs. Most appropriate use of the fast lane is when. Option A, rushing to your destination. Option B, overtaking only. Option C, overtaking and turning right ahead. The correct answer is B, overtaking only. Signaling when lane changing is important because. Option A, it helps reduce crash risks. Option B, it helps reduce braking distance. Option C, it helps reduce brake wear. The correct answer is it helps reduce crash risks. Driving in a safe manner. Option A, can be done by all drivers if they decide to. Option B, can be done in the presence of the police. Option C, can be done in urban areas. The correct answer is it can be done by all drivers if they decide to. Allowing extra travel time. Option A, will enable enjoying the route. Option B, is a tough choice. Option C, is one of good driving practices. The correct answer is C, is one of good driving practices. Make your journey safer and more pleasant by. Option A, planning journey in advance. Option B, traveling during good weather only. Option C, traveling with good companions only. The correct answer is A, planning journey in advance. Make your journey safer and more pleasant by. Option A, planning journey in advance. Option B, traveling during good weather only. Option C, traveling with good companions only. The correct answer is A, planning journey in advance. Driving at your best condition means. Option A, not driving when sleepy or tired. Option B, choosing the best routes. Option C, not driving when in doubt of way. The correct answer is B, choosing the best routes. Driving in a relaxed manner can be achieved by. Option A, not driving when intoxicated. Option B, using indicators always. Option C, driving at slow lane when possible. The correct answer is C, driving at slow lane when possible. At least 2-second gap refers. Option A, safe following distance to the vehicle in front. Option B, distance when vehicle stops. Option C, stopping and braking distance. The correct answer is A, safe following distance to the vehicle in front. Avoid conflict with other road users by. Option A, giving way, even if you have the priority sometimes. Option B, showing mistakes of other drivers. Option C, giving way to elderly pedestrian. The correct answer is A, giving way, even if you have the priority sometimes. One must focus on driving because option A, safe driving is full-time. Option B, safe driving requires full attention. Option C, all other drivers make mistakes. The correct answer is B, safe driving requires full attention. Proper use of indicator provide. Option A, other drivers time to stop. Option B, other drivers time to react appropriately. Option C, direction to destination of other drivers. The correct answer is B, other drivers time to react appropriately. Drivers must use of indicators appropriately while driving. Option A, this is required by the UAE traffic law. Option B, this is not required by the UAE traffic law. Option C, this is required by the transport industry. The correct answer is A, this is required by the UAE traffic law. When making U-turns, option A, the right indicator must be turned on. Option B, the left indicator must be turned on. Option C, neither indicator must be turned on. The correct answer is B, the left indicator must be turned on. When leaving a roundabout, option A, the left indicator must be turned on. Option B, there is no need for the indicator to be turned on. Option C, the right indicator must be turned on. The correct answer is C, the right indicator must be turned on. Proper use of indicators will, option A, let other road users know your intention. Option B, let other road users recognize you. Option C, let other drivers follow. The correct answer is A, let other road users know your intention. Proper use of indicators will show, option A, you take into consideration all other road users. Option B, you are being patient. Option C, you are giving way to others. The correct answer is A, you take into consideration all other road users. After making the turn with the indicator on, option A, indicator will always turn off by itself. Option B, check that it is turned off. Option C, indicator can be left on. The correct answer is B, check that it is turned off. In case of breakdown, where is the proper place for the warning triangle? Option A, 50 m away from the car, in the direction of approaching traffic. Option B, 40 m away from the car, in the direction of approaching traffic. Option C, 30 m away from the car, in the direction of approaching traffic. The correct answer is A, 50 m away from the car, in the direction of approaching traffic. The yellow solid line on the road means, option A, overtaking is permitted. Option B, overtaking is prohibited. Option C, overtaking is permitted sometimes. The correct answer is B, overtaking is prohibited. Why are major junctions lined with diagonal yellow lines? Option A, to increase visibility of lines. Option B, to stop speeding drivers. Option C, to prevent the junction from being blocked. The correct answer is C, to prevent the junction from being blocked. Rumble strips are meant to, option A, warn drivers of approaching hazard. Option B, warn drivers that the load is falling off. Option C, warn of traffic from opposite direction. The correct answer is A, warn drivers of approaching hazard. Large roundabouts will usually have rumble strips. Option A, just before the roundabout. Option B, within the roundabout. Option C, after the roundabout. The correct answer is A, just before the roundabout. In an uncontrolled roundabout, priority is given to, option A, vehicles coming from the right. Option B, vehicles coming from the left. Option C, vehicles signaling to turn left. The correct answer is B, vehicles coming from the left. The traffic light turns green. This means option A, you may move off. Option B, you may proceed if safe to do so. Option C, you may proceed after 1 second. The correct answer is B, you may proceed if safe to do so. The traffic light in junction turns green before proceeding. Option A, ensure your exit is clear. Option B, ensure the light is not red. Option C, ensure you do not go first. The correct answer is A, ensure your exit is clear. When dealing with pedestrians, option A, drivers must give way always. Option B, drivers must give way sometimes. Option C, drivers are not required to give way. The correct answer is A, drivers must give way always. Speed limits posted on variable message signs VMS. Option A, temporarily overrule the speed limit posted on the road. Option B are the same as the speed limit posted on the roads. Option C are for emergency vehicles only. The correct answer is a temporarily overrule the speed limit posted on the road. When approaching a pedestrian crossing, drivers must, option A, slow down for the pedestrians. Option B, stop and give way to pedestrians. Option C, stop and give way if there is a policeman. The correct answer is B, stop and give way to pedestrians.